If you're getting the gray screen glitch on Roblox where the game loads but nothing appears or the screen stays blank, you're not the only one. This bug has been hitting a lot of players lately. Let's fix it fast. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, rejoin a different server. Many gray screen issues come from bugged servers that didn't load assets correctly. Leave the game, open the servers tab, and join a new server with fewer players. This often fixes it instantly. Next, lower your Roblox graphics settings before joining. Open settings, switch graphics mode to manual, and lower it to 1 to 3 bars. High graphics can cause the game to load incorrectly and leave you stuck on a gray screen. Now, fully restart Roblox. Don't just leave the experience. Close the Roblox app or browser completely, reopen it, and then launch the game again. Cached data from long sessions can trigger rendering bugs. If you're on mobile, close all background apps and make sure low power mode is off. Power saving can throttle performance and cause games to fail while loading the world. For PC players, toggle full screen off and back on after joining Roblox. There's a known full screen rendering bug that can cause gray or blank screens in some experiences. Another quick fix, log out of Roblox, log back in, then rejoin the game. This refreshes your account session and can fix asset loading glitches. Pro tip, if this only happens in one specific game, it's usually a game side bug, not Roblox itself. In that case, wait for the developer to patch the experience. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your device and what happens when the gray screen appears, and I'll help you fix it.